Good morning, David. My name is Mario. I'm working as a research and development engineer at AIDIMME Technology Center. We are an institute based in Valencia. We are dealing with additive manufacturing for more than 20 years. We decided to go for a engine integration with the HAS CNC because basically we saw like a pretty interesting machine which combines the additive with the conventional milling methods. And we believe that it's a great system to produce parts and to repair parts. To my mind, the technology is pretty good for, as I said, for certain applications, especially when it comes to parts that have been damaged that can be repaired. I think this is pretty interesting because we can add material on top of this damaged part, and we can mill this part and make it functional again. On the other hand, I can see that combining multiple materials into a single part is pretty interesting as well. And some aspect that I will definitely work on to improve the system is probably the stability between layers. It's a process where we apply a lot of energy, and so the conditions between one layer and the layer just before and after might vary a little bit. So I will definitely work on the stability of the system in general. To be honest, David, I'm not so familiar with other technologies, DAD or lace beam welding, but I can tell you about some benefits when it comes to powder bed fusion, because so far we've been working with PDFs. Now I can tell you that when it comes to part size, PDF is pretty good for tiny parts, medium parts, with very complex geometries, internal channels, and so on. However, when we address bigger parts, I believe that your technology, Meltio, is definitely better than PDF, right? And as I said, combining different materials is another benefit of the system. Definitely, yes, it's better. It's way better because powder has a very specific area, large area, and the evolution of the feedstock is a very important thing that we should pay attention. And when it comes to the wire, the material, the oxidation of the feedstock, it's more controlled. Let's say even when we are adding the wire, 100% of the material is successfully applied into the part. When it comes to powder, there is some material that should be rejected in the process. So I think that it has plenty of benefits in comparison to powder. Yes, I think it's bringing a lot of benefits into the industry because it's flexibility. I mean, you can produce parts, you can combine different materials, you can repair parts that have been damaged on site. As I said, David, I will definitely work on the stability of the process in terms of maintaining the specific processing conditions along the build, along the entire build. I don't think so. I think that additive manufacturing in general, not only Meltio, but also the rest of the players, these AM technologies are not substituting the conventional methods, but are, let's say, it's like another method, another production method. I mean, it's not substituting, it's doing another kind of activities. It's complementing the conventional methods, let's say. It depends on the part and on the application. Additive manufacturing is not suitable, or is not that doesn't fit in all the parts. And this is one of the things that we should pay attention to analyze the economical and the technical feasibility of a certain part produced through additive manufacturing. So I would say that it depends on the part, but definitely for certain application, it will be beneficial, right? We have worked mainly with the automotive sector for now. We've been working with your system for a year, almost a year. And the main field we have worked in is the automotive sector for tools, cutting, bending, stamping tools, and so on. We are already collaborating with Meltio in several projects, and I can see that there are different fields that are pretty interested on those technologies. Probably the medical sector will be one of them, and we will be willing to cooperate with Meltio, working on the process and controlling the process, and trying to address industrial applications as medical, or automotive, or the railway, or whatever. Sure. This last year, we've been working on a project called Protector. It was supported by the Valencian government, and it was related to the improvement of the process in terms of the atmosphere. We know that those materials that we are producing with this technology must be controlled in terms of the atmosphere where the AM process is taking part. So we have developed a device that creates like a specific area or volume which is protected with argon, and allows us to produce parts with reactive materials prone to oxidation and those kind of problems that take part in the aging process. Indeed, we are now cooperating with Meltio in a project called Attila, and in this project we will integrate a system that is being developed by Meltio. So yes, the answer is yes. We will definitely work with other equipments from Meltio. For now, for the time being, we're just working with the Meltio equipment.